Hi, dear prospective students. I'm happy to be able to inform you about some elements of the TOEFL exam preparation course that I'm offering. Most important to say at the beginning is that I am open to teach up to 4 students in a group, which will make more affordable for individual students since everyone shares the cost of the course. And it's also good to practice speaking among each other when we are preparing for the speaking section of the TOEFL and to discuss all the other sections of the course. It's very useful to have members of this small group. Let me begin by telling you a little bit about myself. I have been a teacher for more than 30 years, and I taught in the United States, in Asia, and in Europe as well. I'm proud to say that I am happy with the fact that I could always communicate well with my students, and no matter where they're coming from or what their background was or has been, and was able to teach and motivate and direct students to achieve their interests and to fulfill whatever the goals they had set for themselves. My educational background is I have a PhD in philosophy and linguistics obtained from the Fordham University, New York, as well as my master's in philosophy and religion, which was also obtained in New York. And my BA was in philosophy and linguistics, obtained Belgrade University, Belgrade, Serbia. In addition to my degrees, I also have a certificate to teach TESOL and general academic, which was issued by the University of the State of New York many years ago when they started issuing these particular business English certificates. As far as my personal information, the most important thing for you to know is you can reach me at my email address, which is ninaslav0828@gmail.com. Here is my phone number that I'm using here in Korea. My nationality is USA. So that's something to just keep in mind. I will come back to that later when I end this presentation and give you a suggestion how to reach me. My professional experience, in summary, is for the last 12 years, I have been teaching at different universities here in South Korea. Before that, I taught in the United States and Europe, and it's been, as I mentioned, my lifelong career, starting back in 1987, going all the way up till now, 2024. In that sense, I would like to share with you what my teaching philosophy is, just to give you an idea what you may expect. First of all, I'm strongly convinced actually that teaching is a selfless profession that is fundamentally about creating a positive learning environment that fosters students' growth and development. And since each student is a unique individual with a unique set of experiences, perspectives, learning styles, the most important thing that a teacher has to do and that he must know how to do is to adapt to the needs of the student and to really respond to what students need to achieve, to learn, to do, so that they can really feel protected and supported by a teacher who is aware of their goals and of their teaching styles. Now, as far as this particular TOEFL preparation course, first of all, I'd like to say that I have been helping students for decades achieve high scores and helping them master the knowledge, strategies, skills, and tactics needed to improve scores on the 4 sections of the test of English as a foreign language internet-based test, which is the test that most students take, Toefl, LIBT. This course has different objectives, but by the end of this course, the students will understand the format of each section of the exam, learn and apply different note-taking strategies, which is very important during the test, and apply different test strategies to answer each section of the test accurately. Briefly saying, what's the reading section, for example, objectives? To practice necessary skills with short reading passages, such as understanding details, identifying topics, and paraphrasing. To develop skills with longer reading passages, such as understanding details, identifying topics, and paraphrasing, recognizing coherence. To improve summarizing skills, such as completing tables and charts, creating tables and charts as well. Listening section objectives basically are to demonstrate basic comprehension, such as understanding the main idea, key points, structure, purpose, conclusion, important facts, and relevant details. To learn from listening, such as understanding various relationships between ideas and tracing the development of ideas or events throughout the recordings. To make, I'm sorry, and this third skill is very important, that is to make inferences about an author's opinion and what is implied in a recording. Speaking section objectives are to synthesize and summarize what was read and what was heard in recording, to form one's own opinion in response to the information that was read or heard, to demonstrate effective use of grammar and vocabulary, to develop coherent and well-developed responses with details and examples. Writing section objectives are to practice necessary writing skill of brainstorming, organizing, paraphrasing, to develop writing skills by connecting and supporting ideas, to improve sentence structure and word choice. So the learning strategies that I implement are combining lectures with full class discussion, practicing authentic reading, listening, speaking, and writing exercises in class, as well as a part of the homework, which we will discuss in the following class. So discussion is the third element, and the fourth, using Zoom to chat and discuss writing practice and feedback. The summary of relevant information includes, first of all, a detailed course of a syllabus will be given to the prospective students once their participation in this course is confirmed. The course consists of 24 classes. Each class is 90 minutes long. The total number of instruction hours is 36. So we will be spending 36 hours together, all in all. Classes are conducted via Zoom 3 times a week for 8 weeks, 2 months. And the last thing is that the price of each class is 45,000 won. And since our class consists of up to 4 students, students share the cost of the course, which makes it really affordable. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, I would like to say that if you would want to have some more information or you want to reach out to me and discuss this in more details, please feel free to email me. My email address, as you see it here, minoslav0828@gmail.com, or you can simply call me or send me a message. Here is my phone number. The only thing to keep in mind is that from July 1st until August 16, I'll be out of South Korea. So I'll be back in Seoul August 16th. And then if you want, you can reach me on my phone. But before that, while I'm away, you feel free to send me an email, ask for any inquiry, and I will promptly respond to your email. Thank you very much for watching this and hope to hear from you. All the best.